Global Defines. The Global Defines feature allows you to set variables which you can then refer to in formula throughout your project. Let's see an example. Let's create a global define for project duration. You can give your define a name, a value, and a description if you would like. Just click Save and you're done. You can now call up that global define in any formula field in the project, on the schedule, or in cost estimates, including as part of a larger formula. If you go back and make a change to the global define, it will update all the formulas where it was used throughout the project. If a global define is being used in a cost schedule or cost estimate, you won't be able to remove that item from the Global Defines window. If you use a Global Defines formula for an item that already has a cost estimate, this pop-up window will appear to confirm the change. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.